Good evening. Budget is a very important topic for all competitive examinations in India. Especially for the civil services examination, questions from this budget were asked many times. There were questions in the preliminary examination and also in the main examination. Now, I would like to show you one question which has already been asked in the earlier examination. Since budget is a very important topic, there may be a possibility to get a question from this area in the forthcoming civil services preliminary examination to be conducted on October 4th, 2020. Now, I would like to open the document straight away and I'll show you the question. Please look at the question. Which of the following departments of the Ministry of Finance prepares the budget? See, the one fundamental point is that overall responsibility of the preparation of the budget lies with the Ministry of Finance. These all we have discussed, right? Now, the question is focused on which department under the Ministry of Finance prepares a budget. Very important one. I told you already, this was a question which was asked earlier too. Kindly remember, if you look at any ministry in India, every ministry is divided into departments. Clear? Entire government of India is divided into various ministries and each ministry is divided into a department. Ministry is headed by a minister and every department is headed by a secretary. Right? And now, if you look at the question now, which of the following departments of Ministry of Finance prepares a budget? Clear? This is the question. But before going ahead, what are all you are looking at A, B, C, D? All are the departments under Ministry of Finance. Clear? That is one point. Tomorrow there may be a possibility of question. How many departments are there under Ministry of Finance? How many departments are there under Ministry of Finance? And your answer should be 5. So there are 5 departments under the Ministry of Finance. Out of these 5, I can look at 4 departments here. But my question is that which department prepares the budget? A, Department of Revenue. B, Department of Expenditure. C, Department of Economic Affairs. D, Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. All the four are the departments under Ministry of Finance. And the answer for this question is, please remember, this is option C, that is the Department of Economic Affairs. Clear? Very important one. Maybe a possible question. Look at this. So, the answer is C. Now, I would like to show you. I told you already, there are 5 departments under Ministry of Finance. And 4 departments you can see in the list A, B, C, D, and name of the 5th department. Name of the 5th department you can see here, that is the Department of Financial Services. Am I clear? And I want you to remember the names of all the departments under Ministry of Finance. Tomorrow there may also be a question. Which of the following are the departments under the Ministry of Finance? Or which of the following are not the departments under the Ministry of Finance? And you should be able to answer it. With the exposure what you got now, you will be in a definite position to answer this. I would like to move to other topic. Let me also give you another topic here. This is related to United Nations International Year. We understood during our classes that every year UN declares an international year. We are in the year 2020, and what is the international year of 2020? That is the International Year of Plant Health. Please look at this very clearly. So this is the International Year of Plant Health. United Nations dedicated 2020 to raise awareness about plant health and the impact of healthy plants and forests on food security, poverty, economic development and sustainability. And UN General Assembly has declared 2020 as the International Year of Planet Health. Fine. So please remember these points, and I'll be joining you with other topics in the next class. Thank you so much. Take very good care.